طيب أنا حابة أبتدي كده من الأول خالص. Tell me about your journey and how you got into الstyling والinterior وكل الحاجات دي.
والله يا شيرين, how I got into it is interesting. I was born into it. My mother studied interior design in La Salle University in Chicago. بس على أيام والدتي a working woman was taboo شوية. After she finished her studies, my father didn't want her to work, to practice interior design. فهي الحقيقة she had to take this out somewhere. فكانت بتعمله في بيتنا. بس بما ان it's very difficult to actually change all the furniture all the time, فهي كانت she used to style the house differently. I would wake up literally every day والاقي السفرة في حتة والliving room في حتة مختلفة. So I grew up seeing that all the time, وهي الحقيقة اللي حطيته فينا كلنا, including my eldest brother Raad bin Halim, the infamous interior designer, and then Ziad bin Halim, the furniture producer. فهي اللي حطت فينا الحتة دي, and we grew up just seeing that. like I told you, هي ما كانش ينفع تغير الفurniture كله, فهي اللي علمتني يعني ايه نفس الكنبة with a different fabric can look completely different. I guess I was born into styling يعني.
وأنا حاسة إن العيلة كلها was born into المجال، يعني إحنا قاعدين معانا في الأودينس ما شاء الله designers و furniture designers من أهم الناس، يعني إحنا we're lucky to have you here, ف thank you for coming.
Yes, a big shout out to Raad and Ziad for being here.
طيب قولي لي برضو أنتِ بدأت رحلتك المهنية البروفيشنال تقريبا إمتى، وابتديتيها إزاي، واتغيرت معاكي على مدار السنين إزاي يعني؟
Okay, so like I told you, it's the family business. There's the interior designing and there's the furniture production. أنا كنت حابة أعمل حاجة a bit different. وزي ما قلت لك, because I'm so familiar with the fact of قد إيه ممكن الحاجة نفسها نغيرها. ودايما عشان كده بقول what we always say at L Concept is it's not always a flip. Sometimes it's a comeback. لما شفت قد إيه ممكن بنفس الحاجة دي إن إحنا نعمل أشكال مختلفة. This is how it started. Officially it started L Concept 4 years ago. This is when we became a company. والحقيقة برضو I see إنه the market is heading towards this, يعني environmentally friendly, إنه إحنا we don't waste a lot of furniture والحاجات دي.